I ain't ever putting WD-40 on this front porch chain. I can't, but I can almost hear that paycheck dropping in the bank. I don't know what's gonna happen tonight, but there's a good chance it's gonna sound like boots on the back porch, stomping on the 2-4, little bit of long neck clang. Tires on the cherry rock, Bubba shot the jukebox, bending them guitar strings. Cold can packing and some old boys cracking on whatever's in the cooler light. Sure sounds like my kind of Saturday night.